Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1957 Triumph Tr3 small-mouth roadster, black interior, white soft top, black tonneau cover, 4-speed disc wheels. Very nice recent restoration on this one. We purchased this car from its Oregon owner, who had the car beautifully painted, as you can see here. Just about show quality body and paint in this very difficult to achieve black finish, new chrome, new body rubber, new interior that we helped finish the interior off. Nice set of tires, fresh brakes that we recently completed. Really good gaps on this car. Drives brilliantly. We're going to be showing you a driving video of this car going down the road, but really lovely driving car. This is a rare early small-mouth design, 4-wheel drum brakes, which is nice because no one's ever changed the brakes over to front-wheel disc. So it still retains its 4-wheel drum brakes, which is just beautiful period 50s TR mechanicals. But really lovely car, really good door fit, really good bonnet fit. Just take you slowly around here. Yeah, new set of stone guards fitted, as you can see there. New fender piping. Nice tire set. Painted crisp disc wheels, really nice look to the car. New overriders, all new lights. This car is fitted with an Anza dual exhaust system, which is a nice period option for a little bit extra horsepower, but really good trunk fit. Just really like the look of those steel wheels on a black car. Just really crisp and simple. Nice original windshield frame with windshield glass in decent shape, but you can see here just excellent gapping on the hood, which is really tough to achieve on these early sometimes crudely built TR3s. But lovely early nose, showing that small-mouth grille. There's a lovely Triumph Owners Association badge. There's that Triumph shield there. So yeah, there's plenty of 3As on the market, but if you look at the market right now, very few TR2s and 3s, which is the original look of these cars. Just stunning, lovely front end there. It's kind of reminiscent of an XK120 with these lovely kind of bulging headlamp holder area there. So yeah, excellent body and paint, super good, honest body all the way around. Really good fitting panels. Interior wise, brand new seats trimmed in leather. Correct original wide early style. This car comes with a brand new white soft top that's fitted. Black, all new black upholstery. All these cappings are done correctly in leather. Black loop carpet kit. Beautifully finished dashboard. All in the correct vinyl wrapped finish, which is correct for these early cars. This car is fitted with a set of side wind wings. Let's take a look at this car's engine compartment. But yeah, there's that lovely front end. But really striking car that's had a full cosmetic and partial mechanical restoration. Let me show you the engine compartment. So this is a very tidy engine compartment here on our TR3 smallmouth. So nice 100 horsepower engine. The smallmouth TR3 was the first car with the 4-inch carb. The 4-bolt carbs of 1 3/4. So correct air cleaners. But when they painted the car, they painted all in here nicely, so that's all been correctly restored. So VIN number on this car, this is the VIN plate. It's never been off the car. It's the original. We can see it's TS12667L. So so that puts it as a pretty early smallmouth, and definitely a drum brake original car. This car is fitted with a high torque starter. Just shut that. I'm just going to shut the hood here and lock it down with our Zeus fasteners. So this car's fitted with a high torque starter, and like I said, I've driven the car. It drives really well, and we're going to be posting that driving video. But really super good, honest 1957 Triumph TR3 smallmouth Roadster, finished in this fantastic black on black color scheme with its 4-speed disc wheel setup, leather trimmed seats, recent cosmetic restoration, beautifully done, runs and drives excellent. We're going to be posting that video soon. White soft top, brand new black tonneau cover, and this one's a gem. So it's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.